In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Bumble profile. To get started, open the Bumble app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are using the correct account since any changes you make will be visible on your profile once they are saved. After you are in the app, tap your profile icon to open your profile page. This is where you can view the information other people see, including your photos, bio, and any other profile details you have already added. Taking a quick look here first can help you decide exactly where you want your new video to appear. Next, tap the Edit Profile button. This will take you into the section where you can update and manage your profile information. From here, look for the Photos and Videos section. This is the area where Bumble lets you organize the visual content on your profile. So if you want to make your profile more engaging, this is the right place to be. Once you find that section, tap the option to add a new photo or video. Your device gallery should open, allowing you to browse the media saved on your phone. Select the video you want to upload. It is a good idea to choose a video that is clear, appropriate, and represents you well since it will become part of your public profile within the app. After choosing the video, wait for it to finish uploading. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Try not to close the app while the upload is in progress so the process can complete smoothly. When the upload is done, adjust the video placement if Bumble gives you that option, or preview it to make sure it appears correctly on your profile. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the video looks the way you want before other people see it. Finally, tap Save or confirm the changes to add the video to your Bumble profile. Once that is done, your video will appear on your profile for others to view. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly add a video to your Bumble profile and give people a better sense of your personality.